What up, guys? Roscoe here, as well as Ben.
Yo.
And this is going to be part 2 of Ben's speaker and head unit, whole sound system in his car replacement.
And part 3, I guess, too, because the amp is another part.
That's true. The amp, but
it's part 2 of the installation.
Yeah. So right now we just got, it's actually Monday. We did the first bit of the video on Saturday. And we just got in his rear 6x9 JBL GTO 939s. And we're going to put those in right now. And then we're going to go and do the amp, which I believe is up here on the hood, which is a Planet Audio. Let's see if I can flip the box over and not spill everything. Planet Audio 1200 watt amp of some sort. I don't know. I didn't look it up. He picked out most of that stuff with some suggestions from me and another buddy. But let's get started on the rear.
This was in my trunk.
Is that like one of those really fancy pencils?
Art pencils, yeah.
Oh. Okay, guys, so we're like partway through getting the rear mesh out and grills and all that, but we have now accessed the seatbelts, which we just thought was pretty cool to see how a seatbelt works. So if you have ever wondered, it's a giant rolly spring thing, and it's clear, so you can see right in it, but it's not going to be very good with this light for them, unfortunately.
Hold up. I got this.
You got this?
That's it.
Okay, I don't know if you can see that very well, but it's pretty cool looking. Yeah, back to work. Okay, guys, we have successfully gotten to the speakers. He's running around trying to get in the camera view. But honestly, it seems a lot more difficult than it needs to be. Just pop the grills off next time. Then again, this is an old car, so that's probably what they do now. Right, Ben?
Yeah. This one back.
Okay, here we are. We've got
One.
speaker uno. Speaker dos is not in yet, but we're testing one to make sure it works. So here we go. We got the Mega Bass set up.
Yeah, it's on.
Okay, and we still haven't put the amp in. It might be a long night.
Probably will be. I'm starting from 0 volume.
Okay. Yep. There we go. Sounds good. Okay, guys. I'm laying in the trunk because we drilled holes to put in the second speaker, as we had done with the first. And now Ben is up there. Yeah, he's ratcheting and being weird about it.
What
Yeah.
can I say? I like ratcheting.
Okay, then. Okay.
Good thing I pulled all the way into the garage.
Okay. We have now successfully got both the rear speakers in, leaving the only thing left tonight after we put this back together. Actually, no. We're going to put it back together after the amp. So the last thing we have left is the amp.
And then putting it back.
Oh, I look like I'm sick. But whatever.
Well, you've been sitting.
Yeah, I've been sitting in dust and disgusting car gross stuff. But here we go. Turning off the fronts. It already sounds better. Sounds a lot better.